Hello, I'm Davis Holland Leichsenring. I'm the designer of the interiors of this house, the Starry Night House in the forest near Washington, D.C. This is a newly built house where I collaborated with architect John Katinas, builder and developer Paul Katinas, and real estate advisor Avi Galanti. This house is the sister of the wellness house completed last year on the real lot. But this is not your typical neutral house. It is an unfolding journey, a dance between the celestial and the earthly, between shelter and openness. The inspiration for this house came to me the night after the Wellness House open house, in a moment of reflection after the joy of that celebratory evening. I sat there, candles glowing, contemplating the empty framework in the middle of the night. Then, as the moon appeared through the unfinished windows, I saw it. This would be the Starry Night House, a house surrounded by forest where one enters the unknown, then finds a clearing, and finally the stars reveal themselves. Without hesitation, I knew this house would be both celestial and grounded, illuminated by stars, yet deeply rooted in the forest. It's just like that, this house was fully designed in my heart. Let's see how these design concepts come to life in this house. One of the most striking features of this house is the Starry Ladder Sculpture, placed at the heart of the staircase, from the bottom of the house all the way to the top. Designed by artist Michael Servet, this commissioned piece symbolizes the connection between Earth and cosmos and embodies the four aspects of creation. Order provides the foundation, the structure that illuminates the house paths towards the sky. Light is the foundation of our being and the essence of the universe.
Truth is the resonance of all being. The volume of the universe expands.
Union is the thread that binds us to one another, to nature, to the cosmos.
And so, this house becomes what it was meant to be, a vertical highway between earth and heaven. Let's explore each level of the house. We'll start here in the foundation, in the root level of the earth.
Living on earth, don't we all wonder what lies beyond the stars? To honor that curiosity, I chose a backsplash shaped like a spaceship, a small nod to the idea that perhaps just in our imagination this could take us there. In our wandering, we seek to understand where our souls truly belong. Perhaps in this reflection we glimpse a portal to another dimension, one beyond the physical, yet deeply familiar.
Now, let's climb up from below the surface and discover what lies at ground level.
As we step onto the ground level, we walk through the heart of the forest, surrounded by the possibilities of this earthly plane. In the family room, we face north, the direction of gatherings, grounding, and creating a sense of home. In the kitchen and mud room, we face east, the land of new beginnings, welcoming fresh energy. And look at this, how could I resist point it out? Even the faucet comes down from the sky. In the dining room, we face south, the land of deep conversations, shared meals, and communion under the stars. In the living room, we face west, a space that nods to voyages yet to unfold, a horizon waiting to be explored. A fountain under the stars. What a way to offer guests a celestial experience. For the young dreamers of this house, this space brings a nostalgic nod to the 80s, a place where the zodiac constellations invite imagination.
As we rise into the forest canopy, we start to see glimpses of the sky above us.
A private retreat within the forest, the primary suite offers a space to rest, reflect, and restore. The journey continues past the dressing chamber, through the vanities, until we arrive at the floating bathtub before a cascading stone wall. Beyond the waterfall, a hidden sanctuary appears, where light, water, and nature dance in pure magic. Let's take a glimpse at the celestial bathrooms of the house, each a portal to a different cosmic realm, reflecting the wonders of the sky. At the highest point of the house, we arrive at an unexpected retreat, a hidden shelter among the treetops. Originally designed as a sample storage space, it naturally revealed itself as something more, a place of reflection, a secret sanctuary in the shadow of the stars.
And so we return to where we began, under the chandelier, below the stars.
From above, the universe pours lights, blessings, wisdom, assurance, a reminder that we're seen, never alone, and guided on our journey. We are here for a purpose, though we might at times forget. The universe remembers. In this sacred space, light whispers from the cosmos remind us of who we are.
This home is waiting, not just for anyone, but for the right guardian to embrace its light and move it in step with the stars.